My name is Brian McClimans. I'm here with Peerless-AV. I'm the managing director of our business development group, and we're really excited to be here at this show. This is our 8th year as an exhibitor for Digital Signage Expo, and we've seen it start off with a very small format and has grown tremendously over the years. It's one of the best shows that we do each year. Early on, Peerless Audiovisual was involved in doing video signage, which was involved in doing large format cube displays. So when flat panel displays entered into the marketplace, we saw it as a very interesting and explosive need for mounting solutions, which is traditionally what Peerless Audiovisual is known for. And 8 years ago, our first digital signage product was actually just a stand that held 2 displays back to back. And it could be portable, it was used in trade show booths, and it eventually got involved in retail applications as well as schools, stadiums, and other areas like that. As far as mounting solutions are concerned, there really isn't a standard product that works for everybody's needs. We're finding that the best digital signage projects and installs are actually done with specific solutions around what they're needed for. And we've presented at several of your conferences with the understanding that there isn't one company that can do everything. And that is actually what makes this industry such a great industry, is that everybody adds a little bit extra to the overall project. They can do their content. Some can do content, some can do the distribution of the content. We can do the mounting solutions, or we're launching at this show here, interactive kiosks. So you can also put them in kiosks and move them around within the retail application. And we also have a wireless video distribution product that can wirelessly distribute the audio and visual without having to have cables run down through the floor. And that's actually something that we're very proud of. We've been asked to get involved in a lot more than just the mounting solutions as being a provider in the digital signage space. So that's why we've gotten involved in doing cables, wireless transmission devices, integrating kiosks with touch with some of our partners. We don't do that ourselves, but we actually do a blend of that where we work together with the partners to provide one solution to the end customer. With regards to the current economic space within digital signage, we are seeing some growth. It isn't explosive growth, but it is solid growth. And the reason for it is because we're seeing some areas like nutritional. Restaurants are trying to provide nutritional information to their customers, and they're doing it both on the monitors where the menu is, as well as they're actually providing interactive touch kiosks for their customers to go out and look up and make an informed decision prior to ordering their food. So we're seeing some growth in that, and that's a nice added benefit that they're providing to their customers. So we see growth in that area. So they're not using it just to advertise to them, it's more informational signage on that area. We are seeing growth in video walls, and here at this show, the Smart City just did a implementation of 2 6x6 video walls of ours at the Las Vegas Convention Center. And our products that we engineered were designed to allow the customers to install them much faster than most of the other standard products that were out there, as well as they can service them without having to remove the displays. So we're actually helping add to the overall installation cost by reducing that, by adding extra features into our products so they can get their jobs done easily and efficiently. I'm getting excited about gesture-based touch. We're seeing a lot of that, and it's just kind of early adoption of that as far as being able to do anonymous demographics with their content and actually give a more directed advertisement or information to the user that is experiencing that display. So you can interact with your cell phones. You may be able to just wave your cell phone in front of the display, and then the ad or the coupon will be delivered to your cell phone. So then when you go to check out, you can actually show to the register, hey, look, I've got this ad. I saw this over in the store, I made a decision, I brought it up to the register, and I got that. And the great thing is the user gets the benefit of having that ad or that coupon, and they get the discount. But the great thing is, to the store as well as to the vendor, they're able to capture the data of what type of person buys their product, so they can make a better decision on it. Retailers can make better informed decisions on where to place products within their retail store. So that area we're seeing is a very small growth area right now. Retailers are right now exploring with where do you position these, how do you do them, what's the right size display, what's the right format to interact with, what are people comfortable with. So it's the blending and making the decision of purchasing in a store more similar to what you make your decisions on a computer. So informed decisions, they're bringing those informed decisions to the storefront. And I think that's a really exciting area, and I think the gesture-based touch, as well as any touch, is really going to help grow that market. I think as far as the digital signage space, we've been looking at it and we've been involved in it strongly for the past 10 years. We've done many different applications of digital signage, learning curves, with digital signage applications that get taken down because either the content doesn't get refreshed, or the displays are positioned too high, not at the right location. The messaging to the end user is not there. And so it just doesn't work, the advertisers don't follow through, and it doesn't go forward. What we're seeing now is much better decisions. They're thinking through these a lot better. The content is getting better, the customer is getting more informed in what a good, there's actually best of breed digital signage projects and rollouts, informational signage out there, so you can actually reference that when you're doing it yourself, and you can decide what you want to do and apply that same logic into your space. And so I would say this is not at a mature area yet, this is still a growth area. It's going to explode over the next 3 years, and we'll see a lot more menu boards and interactive kiosks is what we're believing. Hi, my name's Brian McClimans. I'm here at the Digital Signage Expo 2012. We're really excited to be here today, and can't wait to come back next year. We look forward to seeing you.